Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and I have Grasshopper on the Spine Corrector for you. So this is actually a really fun place to do Grasshopper. I prefer it to a lot of places. You could do it on a small barrel, but if you're wanting to do the Grasshopper on the reformer and you just feel like that moving carriage is a little bit scary, this is a really good place to practice because you've got very little places to go. You may, depending on the pants you wear, want to have a sticky pad on your barrel. Otherwise, you don't really need anything but yourself. So typically you would do this after some swan swimming, rocking, and then you kind of like slide yourself forward. You want to be in a spot where you could pivot, and you put your hands underneath your shoulders and you bend your elbows backwards. Now, when you bend your elbows backwards, that's not what takes you down. What takes you down is your hamstrings lifting your legs up. So keep your legs super straight. Reach your tailbones longer than you think. And as you bend your elbows, the hamstrings are coming up. Your goal is to touch your head, maybe. Reach your legs up and then start your beats. So a lot of people tend to bend their knees to take them over, but you really want to keep the legs straight. So legs are straight, lifting. They get as high as they can. They reach for your hair bun. They lift up to the sky and they beat all the way down. So really try that reach, because it's hard to get that reach, especially on the ladder barrel and the reformer, just this distance that you're in. So use this time here. Lift those legs, reach, lift up, and beat, 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 beat. You get a lot of fast, a lot of hamstring. It's really fun. The arch is happening in your thoracic spine. And, 3 to 5 of those. And then go ahead. Try to do it on your reformer or your ladder barrel and see what it's like. Can you stretch those legs so far over, maybe touch your head, get them back up to the sky and come down. So it's really fun. I would love to hear how it feels in your body in the comments below. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. It means a lot to me, and for sharing these videos with your friends. I'll see you next time.